Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with an Indian or Bangladeshi wedding guest makeup tutorial, and for that I have created this copper halo smoky eye look and paired it with a beautiful red lipstick. Recently I got a request from one of you to create a look for this wedding season, and this is what I came up with. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing and please join the family. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get into the video. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I am taking this E.L.F Precise Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Cool Brown, and I'm just filling up the gaps and sparse areas. E.L.F is now available on Nykaa. If you want to grab this eye pencil, you totally can. This is such a good product. It's affordable. It's better than my NYX Micro Brow Pencil, which I absolutely love. And this has a spoolie on the other side, so it's pretty convenient for traveling as well. And this product itself is really good, so I think you should give it a try. Recently I shared with you a video where I shared with you my recommendation from E.L.F Cosmetics. You can check that video out. In that video I shared with you the products that I absolutely love from E.L.F Cosmetics. So if you wanted to try out some E.L.F Cosmetics product, then definitely go ahead and check that video out. I will have the video linked in the card button over there. Now taking my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in the shade Soft Beige, I'm just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. Now with my Wet n Wild sponge, I'm just blending it out, and this is a damp sponge. Next, I am taking this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 15, and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking this kind of light pink shade from my E.L.F Cosmetics Berry Bad palette, and I'm applying it as my transition color, or this is my crease color. The brush that I'm using is from Morphe. This is Morphe M441 brush. This is a very pale shade, so you have to build it up quite a few times to have that intensity, and I'm doing the same thing here. I'm happy with the way it's looking right now. I'm going to go ahead and take that dark brown shade from my L.A.Girl, I think this is Playmate eyeshadow palette, and I'm just applying it on my outer V area on my inner corner, and then I will be connecting those two corners through my crease. The brush that I'm using is from E.L.F Cosmetics again. This is their E.L.F blending brush. So I'm creating the halo effect here, you can see. I'm just connecting those two corners through my crease. Now I'm taking this reddish brown shade from the palette, and I am just blending out the edges so that it looks smooth and gradient. From the same palette, I'm taking this beautiful, gorgeous, shimmery copper shade. Look at this, it's so stunning. And I'm just popping it on my on the middle part of my eyelid. And first I'm using my finger, then I switched to a brush to have that precise application. And this is a synthetic flat shader brush. This brush is again from Morphe. Taking the same warm brown shade, I'm just blending out the edges so that it looks seamless. With my Wet n Wild MegaLiner in the shade Black, I'm just drawing a wing here. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base and then I will return to my eye makeup again. For my base, first I'm taking this NYX Photo Loving Primer and I'm just priming my entire face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. This particular primer is a silicone based primer, means it fills in all your pores. It makes your skin really smooth and your foundation just glides on smoothly and it becomes long lasting. I'm color correcting using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Orange Color Corrector and I'm applying it wherever I have pigmentations, dark spots, acne spots and dark circles. And now I'm just blending it out using my finger. If you do not have dark circles or hyperpigmentation, you can totally skip this step. My foundation, I'm going with this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade 6 Sand Beige. It's a beautiful foundation. It just makes your skin look so smooth and flawless. It's long lasting. It does not crease. It does not settle on my fine lines as well. In short, it's one of the best foundations that I have ever tried. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same concealer and I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my cupid bow, on the sides of my mouth, down the bridge of my nose as well as on the center of my forehead. And I'm just blending it out again using the same damp sponge. This is again one of the best concealers from the drugstore and it gives you a full coverage. It's slightly on the drying side, so if you have really dry under eyes, you need to apply a thick under eye cream and then you will be good to go. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder again and with the same damp sponge, I'm just setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines. And I'm just pressing the product in. I'm not rubbing my sponge at all. I'm taking my Maybelline SuperStay pressed powder in the shade 312 Golden and with this large fluffy powder brush from E.L.F Cosmetics, I'm just setting my entire makeup. I'm going to finish the rest of my eye makeup and for that first I'm tightlining my eyes using my Jordana Easy Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Jet Black. You can use any gel eyeliner or kajal pencil that you have in your collection. This one is just my personal favorite. Now taking the dark brown shade, I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line and for that I'm using an angled brush from Pune store. And I'm making my lower lash line a bit smokier. This way my eyes will look bigger. And I'm applying the same copper shade right on the middle part of my lower lash line just to tie the look together. I'm just curling my natural lashes with my Vega eyelash curler and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter, which I will be using for my face later on. For my falsies, I am going with these Kiss lashes in the style Midnight. And here is the final eye look. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. It will mean a lot to me. For me personally, it is just a perfect look for any traditional outfit. Please let me know your thoughts. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. For that, first I'm taking this Milani Silky Matte Bronzer in the shade 03 Suntan, and I'm just contouring the perimeters of my face using this angled brush from Pune store. This is such a beautiful product, you guys. It's matte. The undertone is just perfect for contouring. It's not too warm toned, it's not too cool toned. It is just perfect for my skin tone. Now I'm taking my NARS Laguna bronzer and I'm just bronzing up my face to bring back that sun-kissed glow to the face. For my blush, I'm going with this E.L.F blush in the shade Brick Red, and with this Flower Beauty blush brush, I'm just applying it on my cheeks, on my chin, as well as on my nose. This is like my favorite brush for applying my blush. It's fluffy, it distributes the product evenly. Since I completely forgot to contour my nose, I'm doing it now, and for that I'm using this Morphe E6 brush. I'm taking my Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter again, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face using this setting brush from Real Techniques. And you know the drill, right? Like my cheekbones, my chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, as well as the center of my forehead. This is again, like, this highlighter is a next level. It is blinding. To set my entire makeup, I am using my Ofra Cosmetics Makeup Fixer. For my lips, first I'm lining my lips using my Essence Lip Liner in the shade I Am Shooketh, and I'm covering my lips with my mirror, and I'm really sorry for that. And for my lipstick, I'm going with this Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink Lipstick, and I completely forgot the name. I will mention the name in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. This is like the prettiest red lipstick that I have in my collection. And that is pretty much it. And here is the final look. I got my jewelry on, my sari on, and I truly loved the way how the entire look came together. It is perfect for this wedding season, or if it is a daytime wedding, this eye look can be your daytime wedding makeup as well. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please don't forget to check that out as well. As always, I'm listing all the products, their shades and everything in the description bar down below for your convenience. So yes, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.